must throw the orange.
Fireman. Here, give me that bell. Let me put it in the box. Here's your bell.
Looking for cheese.
Can you hear it? I don't hear it.
Maybe you got a baby doll.
No choo-choo.
Ooh, it's a bottle.
She said, oh.
Ooh, one was filled with juice.
I'm just gonna drop it on the floor.
It's against all. Are you filming this, Amari?
I am.
Can you see me in this video?
I'm gonna say no, but that might not be true.
Okay. Is this going on the interwebs?
Of course not. I would never do that.
Are you videotaping this for some sort of It's a Christmas tree. And look at who's this guy. Did you just move it so I'm still in it?
Wave, Jessica. Merry Christmas.
What's going on, internet?
Look what Santa brought you.
Look, here's the pimp hat, everybody.
What? A scooter? What?
Wow. It's huge. It's awesome. It's a big girl scooter too.
That's real deal.
Did you write that,
What
babe?
is this?
Did you write that?
Do you remember what this little girl's from?
Stand up, let me see.
Polar Express movie.
That's yours,
Hey.
man. That's a cool scooter right there.
Does it fit you? Put your foot on it. Should I tell Santa you don't want it?
I'll take it. I'll use it. It's fine. If you don't like it, I'll use it.
We're gonna have to go test that out.
You have to ask him as it's hers.
That's pretty cool.
That was a
You're
nice
such a
scooter
big
right
girl.
That's a big kid scooter, that's for sure.
Isn't it cool?
You should thank Santa next time.
She's tall enough now.
Yeah, because May has that old
Santa, man.
list.
Santa hooked it up.
Do you want to open a gift?
Christmas is
See
pretty
this,
cool.
Jackie? Come here. Come see it. You want to see it? But I don't want this kid to play with my stuff.
Alright. Let's see what we got here.
Put your foot on it.
Let's see who this is for.
No?
This is for Jackson. I don't think so. Can you open it? This is for May.
Lucky! Oh, it's like dinosaurs.
Gotta hold it up right.
How do you know?
Dinosaurs!
Bird.
What is it, Jackson? What is it?
I missed it.
Tell no what it is. Oh, I think, well, it is a video camera.
We didn't take the videos off the camera.
What is it?
You get this bow off.
Yay, dinosaurs!
Santa didn't give
This
us
one is
what
from
we
Mama.
wanted.
Isn't this it too? Yeah, this one is from
This
Mama.
is from Grandma and
It's
Papa.
not for me, it's to you from me. No, from me to you. I got it for you. This Mama got this for you. No one else can pick it up. Damien. You gotta open it.
Ooh, what's that?
Awesome.
What is it? Do you know?
It's Diego's backpack.
What's his name?
Backpack. This is seriously one of my favorite games.
Connect 4.
Connect 4. It's one of my favorite games to play.
Cool.
Good job. Now we can play. It's like tic-tac-toe, only bigger. Right? It's Rescue Bag!
That's pretty cool right there. Next word is the game.
It's awesome.
Alright, here's another one.
Bird, you want to open up another gift?
You got another gift right there.
Uh-huh. You open the door, want to know he has the Diego. Jaguar has a hop. See, you get baby Jaguar.
Mine makes noise too.
Does it?
Mine
talks?
doesn't have an animal.
Right. Here's another one. I know.
Here.
Is that one maze too?
Once you look at that,
Yeah. But the two small ones are, I have to do on Skype, remember?
Right. Oh, right. I got your back. I turn into a parasail or a kayak. A zip cord, a snowboard, whatever you need. We can do it. Right?
Oh!
Yay!
Oh.
Careful.
Then why she got all the bottles and diapers and stuff.
Air baby. I think she's just squishy.
It's an unbelievably soft baby. It can go in her new crib.
Squishy baby. Squishy baby.
That's pretty cool. So give it to me and see it.
Squeeze
What
me.
is it?
Oh, not that hard,
we
Mom.
can't do yet. That was Onward. Howdy, howdy. This one is from
Me and August.
Mama in August. Isn't that cool? It goes with your buzz.
No.
Hey.
No, the buzz that's up in
Cheese.
your room. It's not in there somewhere. It's like in your room.
Whoa, Woody!
Whoa! And off she goes.
Grandma stepped on something on the floor.
Oh, you can pull it?
Now you have both of them.
Best friends!
You don't get any reach for the sky or anything like that, or what's going on?
I don't think they can say the actual things. Must be like copyright.
There's a snake in my
What do you
boot.
say, May? We what?
Yeah. We saw we wanted this. He does say, you're left this one over
That
here.
works for me in August.
He says that.
You're my favorite puppy.
But even in Toy Story 3, he
What's
doesn't
that?
say the same stuff.
No?
Did you
Open
notice
it up.
that?
I didn't notice that. I was just
Zipper. You
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
but he
awesome.
had his hat, too.
Just noticed how depressing Toy Story 3 was.
Huh?
I just noticed how depressing Toy Story 3 was. It's the toy apocalypse.
You're good.
The toy apocalypse.
See if I'm zipping it.
No one
Silent
got
last. So still.
There's a snake in my boot. Great Christmas music.
I didn't turn
Whoa.
Hey, you got your own iPad.
Dang.
No way.
Turn it
Wow. I don't even have one of
That's the
those.
green button.
May's gonna
Turn
play
it on.
because it's hers.
Right here.
Maybe when you're bigger. It's a bigger kid toy.
Is that cool? Is that a real iPad?
It's like a, no. It's like the kid version.
It's a kid pad.
Oh, look at it!
Oh,
How exciting.
so cute.
That's from Mama in August. Mama in August got you
Merry
that.
Christmas.
Thank you.
You should give Mom and August a hug too. He's like, it's Grandma. Everything is Grandma.
It's because she's embarrassed.
Oh, right.
Come on, come give me a hug. No?
You gotta pull it.
I'll give Mama a hug too.
Oh,
Christmas.
oh, Tito
Let
Jackson.
go.
Go, come on, you have other gifts to open.
Hold on, I got my
Give
hug
a
first. I got my hug first.
Hold him.
Merry Christmas, little child. Merry Christmas. Have fun with that. I'll learn how to read real fast. Be my little reader.
Don't get too choked up, man. It's gonna be all right, man. It's gonna be all right. Hold it together.
You have other gifts and
Woody
open
and
those.
Buzz, look at these two.
It's from Daddy.
Hell.
This is some nice gift wrapping right there.
Took me like 20 years.
Watch out for this guy.
Don't look at the gift
Trying to
wrapping. That's good.
replace me.
She totally judges on gift wrapping, so.
Really? Uh oh.
Maybe Mama knows how to turn it off.
Hi, I'm Woody. Howdy,
Yeah,
howdy,
press
howdy.
that again.
Then with it, you put it
can
in
play
your
with this later.
case.
Let's finish opening
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, there you go. Put it
That
back.
was very smart of you to put it away when you're not using it.
Yep. Very good job.
Look at that cute
gotta take care of
little
that.
Woody. I like that.
Got a backpack for it. That's cool. What's up, Jackson? How you doing?
You say hi to
Oh,
Omari?
you better get Jackson.
Your dad.
Why, man? It's your turn, man.
Is it?
What is that, man? Whoa, dude.
It's a Game
What
Boy.
is that?
It's a Game Boy.
Is that kind of like the one Tyler has? Or
Well, you got to put games in
Yeah.
it first. This doesn't work yet.
I don't know what's it called.
Yeah, those are games. So you got 3 games. You got a Hello Kitty game,
the Game Boy, a Game Boy Advance SP.
No, they have a DS.
and you got a Cats game, and you got a Dogs game.
Similar,
I think
right?
that might be the one Cash has.
It's on the front or the back. I don't know.
The more happy she is, the more
I think it's like a
she
bottle.
acts when she opens it. Like,
She doesn't-
Yep, the other way.
the more she likes
twist
it,
it.
like, the
There you
more
go.
annoyed
Like,
she's
oh, thank
why
you
are
so
doing
much.
this?
there-
And the power's on the side on your right hand.
Sometimes I just wonder why, guys.
I said you're right.
Look at that Game
That is
Boy,
right.
you big girl. You be playing Game Boy.
Oh my gosh.
It's not really supposed
It's
to.
so old. It's so
Can you
old.
believe
Huh?
it?
She was like bending. I'm like, you're not supposed to bend
I'm
it
just
that
gonna
way.
break this. You can't bend the screen that way, it'll break.
What's she get another thing?
Pretty cool, huh?
Game
Her
Boy,
dad
man.
got her a
Dad
Game
got
Boy.
her.
Huh?
Omari got her a Game Boy.
Does she know how to work that stuff?
Don't figure it out.
She'll figure
I
it out.
think
Well, you
Cash
gotta turn it
knows.
off first before you pull it out.
Cash knows how to.
She knows they know how to use all the phones.
If you want to change the game, you gotta turn it off
Turn it off.
first.
Maybe you need to have Dan tell you the directions how to use it.
There you go.
Yeah, you'll have to play it with your dad before so you know how to use it right.
Still got more.
What do you say to your dad?
You have one more gift. Right there. It's a
There you
small
go.
one.
You didn't say thank you.
Say thank you, bird. Give a
No
hug.
problem.
Say
Those
thank
ones, this is another one.
No
Those ones
problem.
are for later.
Yeah, those are for when we have to talk to Grandma Joyce.
Yeah.
So
And this is the one we got for Damien. This is the one for Gusman.
there's one right here.
Oh,
The small one. For me and August.
that one's yours.
Say thank you. Say thank you to your dad. Can you get a hug?
No problem.
Are you gonna give your dad a hug?
No.
You don't have to. It's okay.
You're gonna be embarrassed. I'll give him a hug if it means I get the Game Boy.
She's like, maybe not.
It's a game for this.
Ooh, cool. What is it? Ooh, it's Tinkerbell game. Tinkerbell. It's a Tinkerbell
This
game.
is the last one from Nona and Papa.
It's huge, miss.
Make it out like a bandit, man.
I think people like you.
Do you know what it is?
What'd you get over here?
Dinosaur.
Ooh, that
It's a dinosaur.
was a legitimate dinosaur right
And a
there.
guy rides on his back.
Velociraptor.
Wait.
And
How do you pronounce that one?
Oh, we got another.
Ankylosaurus.
Food, more food.
Another dinosaur. Look at this
Whoa,
thing.
that's cool.
Regular dinosaur?
See?
That's pretty cool,
Now
huh?
that is cool.
Now you can cook at the apartment.
You can kick it freestyle.
Yay!
breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yay! It is all complete.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
Breakfast, lunch,
Say
and
thank you,
dinner.
Nona.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Where's Nona? Now go say thank you to Papa.
And dinner.
Say Papa a hug.
You got some good gifts, Bird. Can you say thank you?
Aww.
And thank you, everyone.
Say thank you,
You're
Papa.
welcome.
You happy?
Can you give hugs? Grandma and Papa.
Yeah.
Don't step on that. That's gonna really hurt your foot.
You like dinosaurs, huh?
Yeah.
Still stuck there.
Give Papa a hug.
It even has like a little
Oh,
shopping.
healthy meals. We're not messing around here. These are healthy meals. So it's nothing you've ever
What
eaten
does she do with
before.
that stuff?
Huh?
What does
She
do
she
with
cooks.
that?
It's food.
It's to use with her stuff at home.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, babe.
Can we get rid of this box so you can just
Yeah,
take these
yeah.
home separate?
That's some cool stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Or do you want to leave it in the box?